Alright, you guys, it's time for the, what month is this month? May. Boxycharm. And I'm excited. Here's the list of stuff. It's called Spring Vibes. It's more than a feeling. Then there's, not gonna look at the thing yet. Here's a 25% off pure code for that makeup brand. And the first thing that's in the middle, it's bubble wrapped. If I can open it, I can see it's from Makeup Geek. It's a powder blush, and I don't own any blushes from Makeup Geek, so I'm excited, so excited. It's called XOXO. Let's see what color. It's pretty compact. It's real pretty. It's called XOXO. And whoa, that's a bright pink. The lighting is no good, but it's like super bright. Let's see if I can get the lighting. I can't, but it's super bright pink. Let me see if I swatch it for y'all. Really smooth. That's pretty. Very, very pretty. I'm in my PJs, getting ready for work. In about an hour, I'm gonna leave. So I decided to do this before I go to work. Next thing I see is an Ella and Mila nail polish with a cute little elephant on it. Oh, that Makeup Geek blush is $15. And this nail polish is $10.50. Let's see what color. You can kind of see the color, but let's see. I don't know if that color is good for me. It'll probably make me look dead. But it's pretty. This color is in, should have looked at it, pistache. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Next thing I see is a Starlux Heart Boxycharm. I don't know if you can see that. And I think this is a lip liner. Let me see. Yeah, Charmed Ultra Long Wear Lip Pencil. So that's the color Charmed. Guess it's a collab with Boxycharm. Boxycharm. I've had some stuff from Starlux from these boxes. Starlux. Kind of like it. So there's the pencil. That's a pretty color. Very pretty. Forgive my ashiness. That's real pretty. Can't see really good with this. Pretty. I like that color. Next thing I see is Double Ego Dual-Ended Eyeliner by Pure, I think that's how you say it, Pure Cosmetics. And I got the color Bali. It's like the packaging, I think it's gonna be green, which I don't have a green eyeliner. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be beautiful. So here's the pencil side. That's pretty with that lipstick color. Or lip liner. And then here is the liquid side. Ooh, that's pretty. Very, very pretty. Let's get a close up. That's super pretty, the liquid liner. It's not rubbing off. Next thing I see is the Brow Gel by Tanya Crooks Clear Water Resistant Eyebrow Gel. We already have some on. Stop! You're ruining my video! It's in clear. Never heard of this brand before, but that's the good thing about these boxes. I'm not gonna open it because I have one open. It's just clear brow gel. And then the last thing I see up in here is a CM Romance de Provence Catherine Mandrino. I think this is a perfume. We've gotten one before. I don't know in what bag. It looks like really cheap packaging, but if it smells good, it smells good. Can't really smell. Ooh, I like it. It's not something I would pick for myself, but I like it. It doesn't have a description of the smell. No. And I'm no good. It smells like, I don't know. I have no idea. But it smells good. So that's the box. Oh, I didn't even finish showing on the prices. The brow gel was $20. Let me see. It's a pretty good amount. The lip liner is $19.50. The double-ended eyeliner is $21. And the perfume is $20. So let me see. 20, 40, 60. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100 and it's like 100 and something, 106 bucks for everything in this box. So excited. Might give this away. The eyeliner was super pretty. This is super pretty. Love Makeup Geek. Always need some of this. And this smells good, so I love everything I got this month. Thanks for... You're rude. Thanks for watching. Bye.